Hey guys, here's my first time at the new Rockford restore. Here's a Panama, universal motor, the rest of it's probably around somewhere. Incredible design house, Evergo Emperor. Wonder if this is capacitor based. Or it feels like transformer based, it feels heavy. Oh yeah, it's transformer based, I had one of those. Emerson. Nice shade on that. What is this? Oh, it's another Panama. And then this restore actually has fans. There's some newer Daytons and some older Daytons. I'll show you around the store in a little bit. Heritage. Fasco canopy? But no Fasco. So, there's a bunch of fans in the store. Dayton. Crompton Graves there. Anything over here? No. So there's some Daytons, some Crompton Graves, and some newer Daytons. And I'll show you the most interesting thing. I saw fan-wise. I'll go look at the lights too. Oh, look what they did to that. So this was interesting. Curved blades on a leading edge Dayton. Never seen that before. So over here is lighting. Opposite the fans, which is interesting. I need to remember to look for one of those dual controls with the dimmer and the fan speed. Another collector was looking for one of those, and I see them all the time and normally pass them by because I don't like them. Solid state. Probably worth getting. Of course, I don't have any change, so if they've got a $5 limit, then I won't be able to get it unless I find some other things. Lots of fluorescent tubes. Glass. It's kind of cool. And of course more. So there's a row. Oh, there are Crompton Graves back there. So Crompton Graves, Dayton, 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 Dayton with curved blades, Dayton, newer Dayton, Dayton. Is there one further up in that row? Yes, another Dayton. And then Dayton, Crompton Graves. Okay. Thanks for watching.